When I tell you guys you need to run, not walk, run to.
Hey guys, my name is Markayylaab. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Welcome back, guys. So today I have a wig review on this beautiful hair. I'm super excited to tell you guys about it because this is my favorite wig. Period. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And as I said before, leave me a comment down below. It helped me out. Like, you could literally just leave a period. Like, just leave something. Also, go ahead and check me out on my social medias. They will be listed down below. Let's get into it. So this wig was from Amazon, obviously, because I stay on Amazon. You already know. And I do have some notes in this little thingy. So let me show you guys. Hat out. So this is described as a 180% density deep wave lace from human hair wig. It is pre-plugged HD transparent lace, and I think I already said it's 13 by 4 frontal. It's a natural color and it's 22 inches. So I have some notes here on the wig, and I'm just gonna read them to you what I wrote down. So this this wig has 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and 1 in the middle. I really don't get that middle. That just throws me off every time. Like, why is there a comb in the middle? I digress. And I'm sorry about the noise, but it's really hot in here. And one thing about me is I'm gonna have a fan. Okay, so you're just gonna have to bear with me on that. Hopefully I'm talking loud enough for you to hear me over this loud ass fan. Just a second. So right, it has 2 adjustable straps on the side that you can tie together. I usually take the comb out of the back and I tie the adjustable straps together because it just has a better fit to me personally. This came within 2 to 5 business days. I believe it came earlier than that, honestly. It did not take too long for this to come, which is so nice because, like, who wants to wait forever for Amazon Prime wig?
Are you dumb?
The sellers were very nice, very helpful about my questions of the wig. This hair is so freaking soft. Like, I kid you not. This is so soft. Like, to this day, it's so soft. And that's very rare to find because after a couple days, as you guys know, with some of these Amazon wigs, it's trash after the first week. And I really hate that because it's like, I just spent $100 and something on a wig that's not gonna even last me 2 to 3 weeks. Like, stop playing with me, okay? There was a hint of smell, like it was processed a little bit, but it's a curly wig. So, I mean, I don't know the ins and outs of how to make a wig, what the process is. Did you perm it to get this? I don't know. All I can tell you is that there was a little smell, but I'm not complaining about it. I'm just relaying the message, okay? Don't shoot the messenger. This has minimal shedding. When I run it through, you can't really run this through your hands, but it's like no shedding. When I comb it though, there is a little shedding, but it's like, it's curly hair, so you're going to experience some type of shedding, but it's not excessive at all. I won't lie to you. And it doesn't get really frizzy at all. I mean, depending on what type of climate you're in, I guess I would say, but this doesn't get too frizzy. I just put some hairspray and some curling cream in it, and do you see this though? Like, this is probably like an hour after I sprayed it with water, put some curling cream on it, not even hairspray yet, and look at it. This is a little bushy right here because I ran my fingers through it a little bit, but it's like, you see it. You see it. What else? I have to hold this a certain way because it's stupid. I obviously have not put any heat on this wig besides like hot combing it back, but other than that I haven't put any heat to it. I do want to wand curl it to see how it would look because I have seen people wand curl their curly wigs and it's just beautiful and big and I love it. So I will try that. Maybe I'll show you guys. Just go follow my TikTok. I do everything on my TikTok, so if you want to see like me doing something or styling a wig, head over there. What else? I did bleach the knots, but let me tell you a little secret. I over bleached these knots. I over bleached the hell out of these knots, and I'll show you guys maybe. I just left the bleach on there too long, and I over bleached it. But I got this no grade quick fix from Walgreens, and this works perfect. The only thing is that it's not permanent, so this will come out when you wash the hair, or if you put any water on the hair, it will come out. But this is a quick fix to your problem. Next time I think I will do something more permanent, but this was perfect for what I needed at the time. Perfect. And this was like $7, maybe less. $7 reasonable, I feel like. And let's see, what else do we have on the rough stuff? Just to give you a little reference on how long I've had the hair, I would say about for a week and a half or to 2 weeks. And this is how it's holding up. I really love this hair. I do change my wigs pretty often, so that's why they last a little bit longer than usual. But this is holding up, and I love it. This is my favorite wig so far that I have bought. I love this wig. I love this wig. I'm happy I took a chance because do you see how beautiful this wig is? Okay, take a screenshot of my face. Go to your pictures. Put your face on my face and see how you look. Let me hold on. Okay, I'm trying to think of something that I don't like about the wig, but honestly, I love this wig from Caitlyn Hair Store on Amazon. I love this wig. Shout out to you guys. This is the most beautiful wig I've ever gotten. That is a deep wave, true deep wave. This is my favorite type, honestly. I love this wig. And I'll turn around so I can show you guys how long it is on me. Again, 22 inches. What is that? Right here. Don't you love this wig? Like,
when I tell you guys you need to run, not walk, run to
Amazon. And again, this wig was only $142. I feel like that's such a good price for this quality. As you know, on Amazon, it's kind of a hit and miss on the quality of wigs that you get. You just really have to look at the reviews and do your research. But I'm here to tell you that this right here is it. And that's on period. So out of 5, it's a 10. Like, it broke the scale. Honestly, I really love this wig. I can't say it enough. I have had the most compliments out when I've had this wig on, and I feel that this wig complements my face and my features and just me personally very well. I just really love this wig, and I can't explain other than it's beautiful. Go get it. Only $142, and I believe they do Afterpay if you're into that. I can't get Afterpay because it's a long story, but you know, get this wig, guys. So that is it for my review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have more comments about this wig that I have not answered, leave them in the comments down below, and I definitely will get back to you. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. They will be down below. Markayylaab on everything, period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I post more videos. And be safe out there. Bye.